guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. Now, in all the years I've been making cooking videos for you, I have yet to share a raita recipe, which is why today we're making a cucumber raita. And all that raita is a cool yogurt sauce that you eat with a lot of Indian meals. And what it does is it brings an element of creaminess, and if you eat something spicy, it helps cool things down. It's one of my favorites. I actually sometimes have more raita on my plate than I do rice or curries because I love it so much. And this recipe is nice and simple and comes together quickly. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's go make a raita. So the very first thing that we're going to do is prep our cucumber. So I have a beautiful English cucumber here. It has a nice thin skin, and all you want to do is take a wide peeler like this and then just peel the length of the cucumber to remove all that skin. I'm now going to trim the ends of the cucumber and then cut through it lengthwise to expose the seeds. Now, using a small spoon, I'm going to scrape out the seeds into a bowl. Now, the seeds are where the majority of the water of the cucumber lie, and you want to make sure to get rid of that so that our raita stays nice and thick. Now I'm going to take a sharp knife and finely dice the cucumber and transfer it to a bowl. The one thing that I love about raita is that you can make it your own. Across India, you can find a million variations on raita, some sweet, some savory. We're doing a savory version today, and now it's going to come down to the flavoring. So we're going to focus on the herbs first. I have some beautiful coriander as well as some fresh mint in front of me. I'm going to take the time to finely chop these up. They're so beautiful and fragrant and green, and we're going to toss that into the bowl with the cucumber. Now, to season things up, I'm going to sprinkle in some earthy cumin as well as a touch of salt. Now, of course, the final ingredient that we have to add for our raita is yogurt. I'm using Balkan style yogurt today. You can use Greek yogurt. In fact, you can use any plain yogurt, 0%, 1%, 2%, 3%, just as long as it's not flavored. So we're gonna go in with a couple of cups here, give it a nice mix, and just like that, our easy cucumber raita is done. I am armed with a spoon. Let's give this raita a taste. Here goes. Wow, it looks beautiful. It's so good. The very first thing that I get when I took a bite was the crunch of the cucumber. It is beautifully folded into that creamy yogurt, and then you get that hum of earthy cumin coming through. So good, and the freshness of the mint and the coriander. It is such a winning combination. Now, this is a super simple raita. You can jazz it up however you want. If you want to make it spicy, add some chilies. But you know what? I love the versatility of this because I eat it with curries and rice, chapatis and rotis. But sometimes when I'm feeling a little peckish, I dunk some Doritos into it and it is so good. Trust me on this, you want to try that combo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or requests, leave them in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.